friends, my name is Anushka and today I am going to tell you how to make a simple thing which you can play with and also to do a time pass in your day-to-day life, and you can also use this to fidget. You can fidget with this or play with this like. So let's start making it. You need 10 sheets of origami paper of different colors also, and you can take same colors also. And you need Fevicol, and that's all you need. So I'm taking one red color. You need to fold it as shown. First make a triangular fold. And same with the other corner. And with taking this corner to the center, fold once. And with this line to the corner, fold again. Then same you need to do with the other side. This corner till the center and this line till the center. After doing this corner you will fold up till here. See, like this. This I fold up to this corner. And then same you need to do with another one also, up to this corner. Now with one like this folded, you need to fold it in this way. Just like this, and in this way. With the other side in other folded. Like this. You will see we have formed such shape, and this I have made 2 of them, and now I am taking orange one and turning. You will see this face. Open this, keep it between them, and then now we need to paste this. I made this like this. You need to make 4 more pieces, means total 5. I've made this, and now we are going to paste them. And I have taken all rainbow colors, so I'll paste it in the order of that only. So I pasted them and pressed them tightly. Let it dry for some time, and then you will see like this. Turn it. See, you will open it, you will see it opening like this. So it's a good thing to play with. Please like, share and subscribe my channel, and also click on the bell icon for more notifications of my videos. Be safe, be at home. Thank you.